Make Owerri soup in 5 minutes. Make Owerri soup in 10 minutes. Who does that? Guys, I'm not here to cook. Relax. Relax, I'm not here to cook. We're here to talk about the theory part. This soup is not for the fainted hearts. This soup is not for the poor in spirit. This soup is for low BAG, Liego, people that have the mind to chop money. Chop money, gang. You know, some people have money, they don't know how to enjoy their money. Some people don't have. The rest is history. What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Back. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Guys, without wasting any of the time, we're going to be talking about the secret recipes to making your banging Owerri soup. Guys, Owerri soup is a special delicacy soup all the way from the eastern part of Nigeria, and I am talking about the Igbo people. Inside Igbo people, you see the Imo State people, Eastern Heartland. Inside there again, you now see the Owerri people. This is a special delicacy. This is their local delicacy soup. Soup where they make noise. Onyele nwe ego jere Ofe Owerri. Onyele nwe ego jere Ofe Owerri. Guys, anybody can make this soup, whether you're from Malaysia, Asia, Europe, America. By the end of this video, you'll not be calling Auntie Letitia, Auntie Chama, you know I'm not Igbo now, you know my husband is Igbo. Anybody can make this soup. At the end of this video again, your village people, by the time they start looking for your name on the list, your name will not be present again because you have upgraded to Promax and because you now have me, Ebys'Lady. This soup can fetch you husband. Yes. If you are a food vendor and you're looking for a soup, to boost your menu, this soup can actually help you and fetch you money and make money for you. It's not like any other soup. When you walk into a restaurant, you must see Egusi soup. Haba, you cannot see Owerri soup anyhow. Guys, join me on this journey. Let me put you to the path of righteousness. Number 1 tips. Owerri soup needs lots and lots of vegetables. And there are 3 types of vegetables that you need for your Owerri soup. With these 3 types of leaves, you are gone. And you are ready for your Owerri soup. Number 1, ugu leaf. Owerri soup needs lots and lots of vegetable. Ugu leaf, number 1. Ugu leaf needs lots of it. If it's scanty, your soup is going to swallow it. It's going to sink. Yes, that's why you need lots of it. And I'm talking about fresh leaves, not old leaves. You need fresh leaves. If you don't have ugu, use spinach. Yes, enough of it. Another leaf is okazi leaf. Okazi leaf, they normally call it afan leaf. Afan leaf, we're not going to pound it. You're not buying the blended one. You're going to buy the cut or you slice by yourself. If it's too long, guys, you cut it. This okazi leaf is going to be the base. It's going to hold that ugu leaf inside your soup. So you don't need too much of it. You just need scanty. The next is your uziza leaf. Uziza leaf, I call it aromantic because it has this sexy aroma that is coming from your kitchen when you are using uziza leaf to make your Owerri soup. It's spicy, it's medicinal, and guys, you will love using it for your Owerri soup. All these are the base that's going to, you need lots of it. Add it, blend it with these 3 leaves: ugu leaf, okazi leaf, and uziza leaf, and you're good. Mind you, uziza leaf is different from otazi leaf. Otazi leaf is bitter. It's light in green, while uziza leaf is dark in green color. Yes, they are different. I remember when my uncle wanted to make soup, he went to the market. Instead of buying uziza leaf, he bought otazi leaf. Behold, bitter leaf soup. Guys, I didn't want to eat that soup, so I did not eat it. So I don't want you to make that mistake again. Number 2 tips is your thickener. For your Owerri soup, these 3 types of thickener can still do the magic for you. Number 1, your ede. Number 2, ede is also known as cocoyam. Number 3, achi. Number 4, ofo. On the comment section, guys, I would like you to write the type of thickener that you like using. For me, I like using ofo because it brightens my soup. It brings my soup to life. And the taste, wow, it's awesome, guys. So I'd like you to try it if you have not tried it before, or anyone. So all of them, you need to blend them. Yes, blend them very well. And another thing, warning, guys, please make sure you're not adding lots and lots of ozali thickener inside your soup, because if the thickener is too much, don't make the mistake. It's going to destroy your soup. It's going to spoil your soup. Yes. At the end of the day, you will start pouring lots and lots of water, which you don't need. You don't need that too much water, and your soup at the end of the day will lose its taste. So maximize your thickener. Any of this thickener will do the magic. Anyone that you like to use, but don't put too much. If you're a beginner cooking Owerri soup, do not put too much. Owerri soup doesn't need that too much thickness. Because while cooking, if you're not sure, add little and watch the soup evolve. Before you know, everything will now come to place. Because while you bring down the pot, the soup is a continuous thickening. Even inside the fridge, the soup is thickening, so you don't have to make that mistake of putting too much thickener inside your soup. Guys, on the comment section, like I said, put down the type of thickener that you like. And if you're looking for your one to use, guys, try Ofe Owerri. Ofe thickener is very, very nice. I mean, yes. Number 3, I'm going to be talking about your stockfish. The kind of stockfish that you used in making your soup, it matters. And I'm not talking about all these chickly rubber band stockfish. You're going to use a very correct stockfish, just like this one here. That's the type of stockfish that you need, even if it's little amounts, yes, but don't use rubber band to make your Owerri soup. It's not going to work out. And when you're making this one, you know, all your neighbors and everybody will be, oh God, what's happening? Draw them the attention, and even your landlord. Oh, sorry. If you're owing your landlord, please mind when you, in fact, monitor the time when he's not around, so that he'll not be asking you, guy, what are you cooking? Because if you use good stockfish to make your soup, it's not only the quality taste it's going to give you, it's also going to give you, you know, that aroma. You will know that you're eating this soup. So you need quality stockfish. You need great amount of crayfish. All these two stuffs are going to bring out the Owerri soup that you're making. Some people don't use crayfish to make their soup. Well, you must use crayfish if you want to have that banging taste Owerri soup. Guys, the next thing I'm going to talk about is your proteins. Who told you that you can use fried meat? Fried fish, fried chicken, fried all those proteins and cook inside your Owerri soup. Guys, it's not fair. It is not fair. These tips I'm giving to you is going to, this soup, when you fry meat, fry all those things and use it and cook Owerri soup, it's not going to come out well. The taste of the soup is not going to be original. If you like using fried meat, eating all those things, guys, make a separate sauce for it. Put it in another separate sauce. Put it in a separate sauce, and you can now serve your soup. You understand? That is just it. It will not cause a harm, but don't use it inside your Owerri soup. Likewise, fresh fish. Don't put fresh fish inside your Owerri soup. Make a sauce separate. If you are the one that like fresh fish, we are not making fresh or seafood or okra or seafood anything. Just like that. It will scatter. You will not even see it. You will not see it. You will not see it. So right now I'm going to be talking about your oil. The best oil for your Obangen Owerri soup is palm fruit. The one you extract. It's not, it doesn't waste time. You buy, you boil, you extract the oil and use the water and make your Owerri soup. You can also use red oil if you cannot find that kind of palm fruits that you boil. You can use red oil. It will also come out well. So going to number 6. Yes, are we on number 6? I'm talking about the type of meat that you use or your proteins. This time they call it protein. Me, I grew up knowing them as meat. You understand? You can use beef, you can use your goat meat, pork meat. I prefer dried. You know, some people don't use it, so use the one that you can eat. Use assorted meat, use a cow leg, cow head, all those things. They are very, very great in Owerri soup. Your snails, if you love eating them, you know some people don't love those things, so eat the one that you can eat, just the way I said it, guys. Owerri soup is not a hold up soup. You understand? It's a go slow, not hold up. Go slow, small, small. At least when you are serving it like this, they do shakara, they shake your head. Pack everything. Make sure your vegetable soup are on board, guys. The next I'm going to be talking about is your pepper soup spice. Pepper soup spice is good. It will bring out that taste. You know, we're talking about taste, not artificial looks and all that. You add little. If you buy, you can buy in the market, you can bring Oza seed, all those pepper soup spice, buy it in the market. Put little, do not put too much. If you put too much, your soup go spoil. Don't call me because I'll be in my house looking for another video to make. She understand me, guys. So that's just it. Pepper as well. Then another thing that will make your Owerri soup come out, dry fish. Don't go and buy chickle. When you are making Owerri soup, don't use chickle dry fish. Use correct dry fish. Dry chicken, all those dry meats they used to come out at play in Owerri soup. Finally, guys, what do you think is the last one? Accessories. Yes, I'll put it accessories. If you want to have this banging Owerri soup, you know periwinkles. Yes, your periwinkle is very very good. But one thing is that some people, the things that you don't like eating, don't take them in. Momo, you can slice your momo inside. You understand? That's what I call them accessories. Then prawns, oporo, you know them. Add them inside your recipe, is going to come out very very well. Like I told you, I'm not here to cook. We have been watching videos, watching lots and lots of it. You might not even know what they are doing. You don't know what they are doing. But right now I'm going to put it through. That is what I am just doing. Put your oporo, put your prawn, guys. Any other thing at play. Pepper. Pepper is good. Then another thing I want to talk about, without water, you cannot cook. Water is essential. Maximize the quality, the quantity of water, especially the quantity. Do not go and be cooking swimming pool. You understand? Or River Niger when you know that your ingredients are small. You understand? Maximize with your ingredients, and before you know, your soup will come out well. Don't make watery soup. Make it everything available for you guys. Any other question on the comment section, guys? If you have not subscribed to my YouTube, please now subscribe. Abby, click on the notification button, like my videos, please share. Is your baby girl Ebys'Lady, guys? I am here for you. Owerri soup is not for the fainted hearts. It is not for the poor in spirits. If you like good food, good quality food, this food, this soup, what this soup can do for you, later you come and thank me. Adako jere Ofe Owerri, Adako shole agaje. The soul of Dr. Sawara. If you know, you know it. May his soul continue rest in peace. Owerri soup. Now here with it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I appreciate you for coming by or watching my videos. Thank you guys.